Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with the next part of my Doom-inspired skirmish team. This is one of the Furies, the scheme based off of the Cacodemon. I primed the mini in black and given them a white zenithal highlight. I then gave them a once over with purple ink like the other demons. I get started with the skin using burnt red. The Cacodemon is probably the most traditional scheme in terms of demons with its red skin. If you have any questions though, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. With the base colour of the skin done, I came back in with flat red, just to add some highlights. This covers pretty much all of the skin and just leaves that burnt red in the recesses, as well as the inside of the wings. Next up, I give the base a once over with black brown, as with all the bases for this skirmish team. The Cacodemon has these silver looking spikes on its head, so I took that and decided to use gunmetal for all of the armor pieces as well as the horns and claws. As with the last couple of demons, the cloth around the waist gets done with kobold skin. I thought the inside of the wings needed a little something, so on the front side of the Mini I filled them in with barbarian flesh. To highlight the edges of the folds in the wings, I went for elven flesh. The final highlight on the red was done with bloody red. This is just the uppermost areas of the edges and the outside of the wings. There are a few skulls around the waist, so I'll give these a quick once over with bone white. The Cacodemon has a green eye, so the face mask on this mini gets a base coat of intermediate green. Highlighting the green, I went for Escorpino green, just around some of the edges just to add some variation. Getting started with the washes, I give the skin an all-over wash of red tone. For everything else on the mini, I wash these parts with soft tone. And that will be it for the Fury. Not really sure if I like this scheme. I like the Cacodemon, but this shape of mini just doesn't work too well for me. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.